Apple has launched 4 different iPhones this year, including the regular iPhone 17, the iPhone Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Of all these iPhones, the iPhone Air has caught my attention the most. I visited the Apple store to pick up the iPhone Air yesterday, and here's my unboxing and first impression of the new iPhone. Unlike the Pro model, which features the back of the iPhone, the iPhone Air's box showcases the side profile, highlighting its slimness. Let's unbox this iPhone while I discuss some of its key specifications. The iPhone Air is the slimmest iPhone Apple has ever made, measuring only 5.6mm thick. It's the only iPhone to feature a titanium frame and weighs only 165 grams despite packing a bigger 6.5-inch display. Handling it for the first time, I must say it feels incredible in my hand. It's very light, but in no way feels cheaper to hold. On the contrary, it feels really premium with its polished titanium side rails and glass back. Setting the iPhone aside for a moment, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Well, there's only a USB-C to USB-C braided charging cable. The iPhone Air does not include a SIM ejector tool because it is eSIM only model regardless of where you purchase it. Now let's peel the display protection film and take a look at the iPhone Air. The gold color is really striking. It's a subtle gold effect and looks phenomenal. You know what? Let me take out the iPhone 17 Pro. As I thought, the Air's polished titanium rails feels grippier in hand than the matte aluminum finish of the iPhone 17 Pro. However, this also means it will easily attract fingerprints. While we have the iPhone 17 Pro out, let's compare the size. The Air is slightly taller and wider but does not feel too big in the hands. Comparing them side by side, the Air's slimness really stands out. Now, let's compare the gold iPhone Air to last year's iPhone 16 Pro in desert titanium. This seems to be a better comparison, titanium to titanium as you would say. Despite being taller, the Air feels easier to hold and manage with one hand thanks to its slim profile and lighter weight. I also like the new gold color over the desert titanium one. It's more subtle and premium. I think this is the color to purchase if you are looking to buy an Air. And that about does it for this video. Subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss out on our full review. Also drop your questions in the comments below and I will try to answer as many as possible. Apple has also released iOS 26 to the public alongside the new iPhones. Watch this video next to learn about the best iOS 26 features. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.